Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, for today's video, we are unboxing
Ano yung unbox natin, Jay?
Christmas tree!
From?
Shopee!
Okay. Yun, i-unbox namin, guys. Yung Christmas tree na binili namin from Shopee. Ipapop up ko yung price. Ito yung price niya.
Before we start, pag di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and click na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko.
Before we start, ay mag-Christmas caroling muna kami. Ano yung Christmas naman natin ay Jingle Bells!
Jingle bells!
Jingle bells! Jingle bells! Okay, start the song. 2, 3. Go ahead.
Into the snow, in the white summer sleigh, all the things we go, laughing all the way. Making spirits bright, all the kids who want to sing a song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun and Mr. Ryan on the soft sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun and Mr. Ryan on the soft sleigh.
La 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 la. I don't know the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics. I don't know the. Okay guys, record na siya nito. Okay guys, ito yung binili namin. Magic natin mag-appear siya bigla. Okay. Are you ready guys? Okay, count. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ito yung wow, laki ng Christmas tree from Shopee.
It's so big!
So big. Okay, open na natin guys. Ano ito? So, itong Christmas tree pala is itong size ano yun?
7 feet.
Remove sa kasi. Yung isa. Wow! Uy! Ito yung part sa baka by parts.
We got this one!
Ito yung oy.
Wag naman, kasi wag naman.
Mata din.
Smile dry. 1, 2, 3.
Ito na yung na-unbox namin. Meron pala siyang parts. First part is ito yung pinaka-tuktok.
Ito yung front.
Then, ito yung
first.
Pakita mo.
First.
This one is the first one.
layer.
Yung kay Mrs. is the second layer. And EG is the ano ito? Yung pinakababa. Yung third layer.
First layer.
Second layer na. Ito ang
Maganda siya
pinaka-tuktok.
guys, kasi bakal.
Ang maganda dito kaysa sa yung mga mumurahin kasi plastic yung mga mumurahin. Ito bakal talaga. Yung stand niya guys, kita niyo ito, is bakal. So matibay talaga. It can last for how many years? Hopefully, it can last for how many years? So ito yung stand niya guys. So bakal. Wow, bakal. Okay. Sige, tatanggalin natin yung mga silicone isa-isa.
Isa-isa.
Look at the riches.
Para tayong namimitas ng bulaklak. EJ, start picking the flowers. Sabi EJ. She loves me. She loves me na. She loves me.
I'm done.
She loves me na. She loves me.
I'm done, Dapo. I'm done.
Isang she loves me.
Ikaw.
Dapo, I'm done.
Ikaw, sino yung...
I finished the
Sino yung
pickup.
first crush mo? Sino yung first crush mo, madam?
Look at this. I got this. I'm done, Dapo. I'm so
Did ma ako ni Mrs.
Dapo.
Don't stand. Okay, mama, you help me. Look at this back, ano? Matibay.
Put the truck in here.
Middle part ng Christmas tree. Okay.
And let's start decorating the Christmas tree.
Okay, meron tayong ito, mga Christmas balls. Sige, mama.
Sa taas na ako.
There is ito, mga Christmas balls. Yeah. Meron din tayo Christmas candy. Decoration, parang candy. Meron din tayo mga decorations na tulad ganit na ulan na ito. Santa Claus. Din tayo Christmas bell.
Babo, can I open this one?
Asa si EJ? Si EJ? Si EJ?
I'm here.
Ay, ito pala si EJ. Nasa punong kahoy. Nasa Christmas tree si EJ nagtago. Meron tayong snowman. Meron din tayong star para sa Claus. Very shiny star. Oh.
Few moments later.
Here it is. I hear this. Okay, we're putting. Babu, where do we put this?
Here, you put it here.
Merry Christmas!
Meron din tayong mga Christmas bells. Ano
Wow.
pa, Jay? Ano pa meron tayo, Jay? We have Christmas gifts.
Oh, Christmas gifts,
Decorations.
Christmas balls, and Christmas bells, and
Christmas
guy, a candy,
A Christmas candy. Wow.
and don't get Santa.
Maliliit na Santa.
Babu, who is that guy?
Oh, cute.
Is that a penguin?
Maliliit na Santa.
Oh no, Babu, the eyes take off.
Hello. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
My Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry-
Hi, EJ. Merry Christmas, EJ.
Ah.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Hi, EJ. Have a Merry Christmas. Are you excited on Christmas? Ho, ho, ho.
Yes.
What? Are you excited to open your gifts?
Mm-mm.
Huh? Excited na si EJ? Are you a naughty boy or a good boy?
Good boy.
Wow, good boy si EJ. Wow. Ho, ho, ho. So, basta good boy ka, meron kang gift ng Santa Claus. Because next natin gagawin is...
Open present.
No! Hindi open present. Ang next natin gagawin is lalagay na natin yung Christmas lights. Okay.
So guys, yung namin yung Christmas lights dito na
Palibot na.
Palibot na namin sa Christmas. So, let's turn on the lights. In 3, 2, 1.
Wow! So cool. I like it.
I-off ko lang kung ano.
Wow! Santa loves it.
Diyan,
And Santa loves it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Ito.
Wow.
I did it.
I I love this Christmas
Ay, dito natin
tree.
iwan.
It's so big.
Last but not the least ay yung
Star.
yung Christmas star.
Okay, put it
The
down.
golden shiny
I
Christmas star.
can't
Okay.
reach it.
Video hagod may mag-reach ka sa'yo. Okay, EJ, do you like our Christmas tree? What can you say about our Christmas tree?
Thank you. I love it. They got so big.
It's
It's
so
toy.
Pumuputi-putitap, ang ating Christmas tree. Woohoo!
So big.
Wow. Marami pa itong modes guys, yung Christmas lights meron ding fast blinking,
And
very fast blinking, steady or
off.
off.
Easy.
Meron siyang
Sounds.
sounds.
Meron
natin yung sounds. Meron din siyang ayan, steady, parang slow blinking. Hanggang nasa sa iyo kung anong gusto mo, fast blinking
Tabo.
or slow blinking. Oh.
Tabo.
Gusto parang gusto.
Sige na. So, yun na nga guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
Maraming salamat.
See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas po sa inyo.
Bye-bye.
And si Mama ni mo.
Mama.
Advance Merry Christmas.
Advance Happy New Year also.
Yeah.
Yay!
Bye-bye.